Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
When you reuse a component, there are times when you would like that state to share the same values as other instances of that state. In other cases, you want to isolate your state. With Jotai, we have already explored how it can be done using Provider. Here, we'll see how we can share and isolate XState using Jotai Provider. So with Jotai, you only need to wrap your components that you want to share state in Jotai's Provider component. The subsequent atom and XState machine state is shared for those components. So here you can see that we are importing create machine from XState library and atom with machine from the Jotai XState integration library. Using them, we define our traffic machine and traffic atom. It's one of the most minimalistic atoms with state machine. Neither of the traffic machine or the traffic atom hold state values. They are definitions to describe the behaviors. When we use the atom, the library initializes the traffic atom and starts the traffic machine. What's important is that we can instantiate more than one machine from a single definition. So what we'll do over here in our app, you can see currently there's just one traffic component being used. I can wrap this one inside Provider component and then close it over here. This needs to be included, so we will be importing it over here as Provider. And now we have one instance over here. I can just copy this and create another Provider instance. So now we have two Provider instances, each having their own traffic component. Let's save this and run it. But now here you can see that we have two circles coming up, each with the initial state saying hello green. If I click this one, it will wait for 1.5 seconds and then the message appears as hello yellow. But on the other side, you can see that this doesn't change at all. So now if I go ahead and introduce one more traffic component in this one, save it and run it over here, you now see three circles coming up and all with the same state hello green. But now if I click on this one, you'll notice the other one also changes to yellow because they both share the same state within the same provider. So here we have this provider which has these two traffic components. Now both of them share the same state, but the other one, which is separated by a different provider, shares a different state altogether. So here now if I click on hello green, you'll notice that this changes to hello yellow and then again to hello red. And here I can change it to red again, but these two together changes and then goes back to green as well. So this behavior that we witnessed just now is because we have two providers and they have own admin values separately. Note that we have just one machine in our code. With one machine defined, we can create multiple state values. And same goes for atoms as well. We define a single atom which can be used for multiple state values. Providers are the method to separate the values. Jotai atoms and XState machine are pretty similar in terms of the state abstraction. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.